I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica giving you with another reaction. Today, guys, today we are with Engee Dadon. Yeah, man, Engee Dadon again. Yes, third time I react to the G song. Yo, the G song them just bad. And Engee Dadon there with Dancehall hot. I'm gonna tell you something about Engee Dadon, bro. Where me see. Me see this man here, a pre-dancehall from a deep perspective. As in, the fan side and the artist side. Because here what I do? I do things where we the fans that say, but obviously we don't have the talent or the vocal range for hit the note them where him can hit and put it in a song. You see me? So him a pre it also from an artist perspective where him a put it in a song. Like me just mentioned. So Engee Dadon, big up your bumbo class self, bro. Like, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yeah. I'm going to jump in the one and see why am I saying that one. Because I don't want to name Dancehall Hot, you know. Engee Dadon. Let's go. Dancehall Hot. Yo, him choice of beats them crazy. Vocal crazy. What on, man? Wait. Yeah, what going on, so? Dancehall Hot, 10 tick dead, Shane Skull hot. Alright. So he must say next skill 10 tick. Engee Dadon, Dancehall Hot, again. Alright. Yeah. Oh, Shane Skull crack. The warrior wants to see a David and Knox. Me no feel say Knox can manage Devin. Me no feel say Knox can manage Devin lyrically, bro. We see him on the fix and make beer tough chat. You see him on the fix and make beer tough chat. That's a Devin interview him at about, right? We see him on the fix and make beer tough chat. Yeah. All place a blaze and the rhythm them a slap. Yeah. The road and talk say 10 tick dead. Vendetta man them bust off him head. Big up Terror. If say Terror then I say yo 10 tick dead. 10 tick dead. Vendetta man them bust off him head. For sure. Big up Terror. 10 tick dead. Vendetta man them bust off him head. Everybody here where the key man say. Gully side innocent alkaline fling red blue. Bumbo clad. Everybody here with the key man said that alkaline. So it must say yo, everybody see what one in a key line song and who get the binds and which one the binds them go. Everybody here with the key man said gully side innocent alkaline fling red blue. Spread red wonder if teacher wants skilly bang dead. Why she and skull? I must say I wonder if teacher wants skilly bang dead. So it's like he must say right there, so it's like it look like teacher I put up Skilly Bang against the key man. So I must say, yo, I wonder if teacher want I wonder if one Skilly Bang dead. That would be a word though. If teacher wants Skilly Bang dead, why she and skull crack? Massacre fled gone. Wonder if Devin a go fi vendetta bread cash. Bumbo clad. She and skull crack, massacre fled. I wonder if Devin a go fi vendetta boss instead. I don't think he would. I think him and them good. Skull crack. Massacre fled gone. Wonder if Devin a go fi vendetta bread cash. Dancehall Hot. Yo, that youth here talk every blood clotting where we are pre, brother. Yo, him a talk where we are pre, bro. Engee Dadon literally attack where we as the fans are seeing a pre, bro. But if I do it by some bad rhythm, dog. Big up the producer, dog. Yo, Engee, me have some bad rhythm, dog. Me can't get on a bad rhythm, them, bro. Yeah. Shane Skull crack, yeah. Alright. Dancehall Hot. We see him on the fix and make beer tough chop. Dancehall Hot, yeah. Alright.
Everybody here where the key man said. Gully side innocent, alkaline, fling red. Spread, red, wonder. If teacher wants killy bang dead, why she and skull crack? Massacre fled gone. Wonder if the vina go fi vendetta bread cash. Dance all that.
And I wonder if teacher was skilly bang dead. You can't put up skilly bang against key man. You can't put up skilly bang against vendetta boss. That's how the G has right and say no.
Dance all that. Governor make a do now look flop. Dance
What on?
Dance all that. Governor make a do now look flop. Dance all that. Dance all that. What can me use while every man a chop? Dance all that.
Man say, what can me use while every man a chat? Ah, to get the job done quick and fast.
What can me use while every man a chop? Dance all that.
What can me use while every man a chop? Waka, chop cutlass, but he must say yo chop as in chop dancehall. But he must say yo a waka he might use while the rest of man them a chop. I sing chop song.
What can me use while every man a chop? Dance all that. Dance all that. Everywhere me go, people a chat talk. Dance all that. Dance all that.
The place has for Joe. Engee Dadon, what go on?
Shooting one, la boss reply. Them no shoot after me coming no in no sky.
Yo, that song is fresh, bro. The man says shooting go on. La boss reply. So we see La Boss of Florida. I do a show, shooting go on in at the club. La Boss did reply with a song named Rumors, which I did do a reaction to. I'm gonna pin it on the screen at the end of that video. So he must say yo, La Boss I say yo, I couldn't meet them a chat.
Shooting one, la boss reply.
Big up La Boss.
Shoot after me coming no in no sky. No oh, do it no try. We ain't killer no shy. No remember roll fly. Mama no cry. Up dance all that bring hawk and the eagle. Bullet a fly at random people. Triggers press like he but them's in vehicle. Scope on top, how we love seeing evil. Dance all that.
Look that!
Beanie don't piggy pan elephant back. Dance all that.
Beanie! Man said don't piggy pan elephant back. Beanie get it!
Beanie don't piggy pan elephant back.
Dance all that.
Dance all that. Guess who a big blogger? Deva Brad. Dance.
Yo! The man said, guess who a big blogger? Deva Brat. Guess who a big blogger? Deva Brat. Hey! Yo! Engee Dadon. You're not afraid man them all brother. Yeah! Who gonna where? Acho, reading them a slap for you. That reading my bad too. Reading them a slap for you, bro. Yo, the facts of the G can put them a thing in a song and make it make sense, bro. Engee Dadon, big up your fucking self, bro. Like, the beat them bad, your lyrics bad, your vocal bad, your clarity peak, bro, everything, bro. Like, to me, the G is a all-round artist, bro. A very talented one who can just put situations into songs and make it actually sound good, brother. Like, crazy. Engee Dadon, yo, that link to that one that got left in the comment section. Just go tell him, say, yo, Jamaica 𝐍 game and see nobody. Yo, the G talented dog, and the G deserve if you get him highlight. Him deserve if you get him highlight. Yes. Engee Dadon, dancehall at Bumbleclad. Never Brad, man say you turn vlogger. Yo, that one ever. I'm not gonna listen to it again, but I'll catch you in the next one for sure. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.